Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe, or perhaps if we are merely one of countless universes? Welcome to the intriguing world of the multiverse conundrum. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of our understanding, suggesting the existence of an infinite number of universes, including the one we inhabit. Let's delve into this further. The first type of multiverse we're going to discuss is the idea of infinite universes. Imagine our universe with its billions of galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars, and then multiply that image by infinity. It's a concept that boggles the mind, isn't it? Next, we have the concept of bubble universes. This theory proposes that our universe is just one bubble in a cosmic sea of foam, where each bubble is a separate universe with its own laws of physics. So, while gravity pulls objects together in our universe, it might push them apart in another. Finally, we come to parallel universes. This is the idea that there are universes running parallel to ours, where all the choices you didn't make in this life are playing out. If you've ever wondered what your life would be like if you'd made different decisions, the parallel universe concept is a fascinating one to contemplate. These ideas are not just the stuff of science fiction. They are supported by scientific theories like quantum mechanics and string theory. Quantum mechanics, for instance, suggests that particles can exist in multiple states at once, lending credence to the idea of multiple universes. Meanwhile, string theory, which proposes that the fundamental constituents of reality are one-dimensional strings rather than point-like particles, requires the existence of many more dimensions than we can perceive, again suggesting the possibility of other universes. So, if the multiverse theory holds, we are part of a much grander cosmos than we ever imagined. But the question remains, are we alone? Or are we just one of countless players in a cosmic orchestra, each playing our part in the grand symphony of existence? But what does this multiverse look like, and how does it function? Imagine an endless sea of bubbles. Each bubble represents a universe, including our own, floating in an unimaginably vast cosmic ocean. This is the multiverse. Each universe is unique, governed by its own set of physical laws. In one, gravity might pull sideways instead of down. In another, the speed of light could be as sluggish as a snail's pace. The possibilities are as infinite as the multiverse itself. Yet, these universes are not entirely independent. They may interact with each other, collide, or even merge, leading to the creation of new universes. This constant birth and death of universes is a dynamic process, like a cosmic dance on an infinite stage. Now let's talk about time. In our universe, time moves in one direction from past to future. But in another universe, time might flow backwards or even sideways. It could swirl around like a whirlpool, or remain stagnant like a frozen pond. Each universe could have its own unique timeline, making the concept of time as we understand it utterly meaningless. What about black holes? These cosmic monsters, with their insatiable appetite for matter and light, have long puzzled scientists. Some theories suggest that black holes could act as gateways to other universes. Imagine falling into a black hole and emerging in a universe where time runs backwards, or where the laws of physics are turned upside down. It's a mind-boggling concept, isn't it? However, all these are just theories, fascinating ideas that stir our imagination and challenge our understanding of reality. We are still far from proving the existence of the multiverse or understanding its intricate workings. But one thing is certain: if the multiverse does exist, it would redefine our understanding of reality and our place in it. Understanding the multiverse could redefine our understanding of reality and our place in it. What would the existence of a multiverse mean for us as humans? Let's dive into that. The existence of a multiverse could have profound implications for us. Imagine for a moment that there are multiple versions of you living out different lives in different universes. In one universe, you could be a renowned scientist, in another, an acclaimed artist, and in yet another, a world-traveling adventurer. It's a concept that stretches the imagination, isn't it? It forces us to confront the idea of our own significance and uniqueness. If there are countless versions of us, what does that say about our individuality? Do our choices still matter if there's a version of us that made a different choice? But it's not just about us. The existence of a multiverse could change how we understand life, death, and fate. If there are infinite universes, does that mean there's a universe where life never ends? Or a universe where fate doesn't exist because everything that can happen does happen? These questions lead us into deeper philosophical and metaphysical debates. If a multiverse exists, it challenges many of the philosophical foundations we've built our understanding of reality on. It forces us to question not just what our world is, but what it could be. The multiverse theory also has implications for our understanding of science. It could lead to new fields of study, new ways of understanding the universe, and even new ways of understanding ourselves. But let's not forget, while the idea of a multiverse is fascinating, it's still just a theory. We have yet to find concrete evidence of its existence. Until we do, it remains a tantalizing possibility, a theory that challenges our understanding of the universe and our place in it. The implications of a multiverse are as vast and varied as the multiverse itself. So, while we don't have all the answers yet, exploring the concept of a multiverse allows us to dream, to question, and to grow. But how close are we to proving or disproving the existence of a multiverse? This question has been a focal point for scientists and researchers around the globe. The multiverse theory, once the stuff science fiction, has slowly been inching its way into mainstream scientific discourse. The challenges faced by researchers in this field are immense. Proving or disproving the existence of a multiverse is not as simple as looking through a telescope or conducting an experiment in a lab. It's an endeavor that requires us to rethink our understanding of reality and to develop new tools and theories that can help us peer beyond the edges of our own universe. Currently, a multitude of research is being conducted in various fields, from quantum mechanics to cosmology, all aimed at understanding the true nature and the potential existence of others. These studies are pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, daring to ask questions that we once thought were unanswerable. Yet, despite the challenges, there are promising signs that we may be on the cusp of a breakthrough. The recent advancements in quantum physics and the discovery of anomalies in cosmic radiation suggest that the multiverse theory may not just be a fantasy. These tantalizing clues hint at the existence of a reality much larger and more complex than our own universe. The journey to proving or disproving the multiverse theory is a journey into the unknown. It's a voyage that will require us to shatter our preconceived notions and to embrace the strange, the unfamiliar. But it's a journey that we must undertake, for it holds the key to understanding our place in the cosmos. As we venture further into this final frontier, we stand on the precipice of discovery. With each new piece of evidence, with each new theory, we inch closer to an answer. And as we do, we begin to realize that our universe may not be the only one. In the quest to our universe, we may just find that we are part of a much larger, much stranger cosmos than we ever imagined. As we tread path together, we invite you to join us in our exploration of the cosmos. If you're as fascinated by these ideas as we are, don't forget to subscribe to the Factiverse channel for more enlightening discussions and breakthroughs in the realm of science. Come, be a part of this journey by hitting the subscribe button, share our content with your friends, and engage in the comments section. Your each step with us brings us closer to untangling the mysteries of the